What does unity mean? How can I practice that in my daily life? The word for the week has been unity, a oneness, agreeing, uh, focus, common goal. How I apply this in my life as America's Supermom is recognizing that oneness comes from individuals bringing who they are to a common objective. So if I want to spread my message of love, I have to realize that my method may be different than somebody else's method. My strength may be somebody else's weakness. My weakness could be somebody else's strength. So recognizing that when you have oneness, you bring your best to a situation and you allow others to bring their best without any judgment over who's more important or who has more influence in a particular opportunity. So when we think about working together and doing what we have to do in order to accomplish the goals that we're seeking for, we have to remember that it is not just for the glory of one person as an individual, but it's for the collection of all parties to be part of a greater common goal. And these type of opportunities to have unity are important to keep us humble because as you continue to strive and work well in the things that you're gifted at, you will be recognized. You will have more platforms in order to share your story, but it's important to remain humble. And so a lot of humility comes from recognizing that you're not an island, that you make up a common goal of a lot of people that have over the years helped to mold and shape you be the person that you are today. So unity is very important to keep in mind as we go on this journey of living our best life and recognizing that the good, the bad, everything that has happened in our lives as well as the lives of others, we can mold and shape it into something beautiful, recognizing that we all can contribute to that. It's not a one man show, and this humble thought can move us so much further ahead because we have a generation of people behind us that are looking to our guidance and our insight and wisdom. So I challenge you to think about, how are you using the mindset of unity in your business, in your family life, in your personal life? Just recognizing that it's not all about us as individuals, but it's about what great things we can create by coming together with one vision, one goal, one focus. That's all I have for today. Blessings. Bye.